Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. As you know, IDEA South Florida's Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Today, in the Family Weekly, you'll find some exciting news. We have a Royal Reader celebration coming up on December 17th. So make sure that you read, and test on those books so you can be one of our next Royal Readers. Also, scholars, remember, attendance matters. On next Monday, we're doing a drawing for all those who had perfect attendance in November. So you can have a chance to win a gingerbread house. Also, scholars, great things happen before Thanksgiving break. Scholars, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders did an amazing job during the Hootie Bowl. Great job enjoying your time and doing teamwork. Also, big shout out to Mr. Patrick Frank for making sure that the Hootie Bowl ran smoothly and running things so effectively. Great job, Mr. Frank. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!